We're here at Salt Fork State Park and we're gonna do the Morgan's Knob Loop Trail.
Yeah, we're on.
We're filming!
No kidding.
Out of the truck when I was getting in. And the backpack was hanging out and I almost fell out. It almost pulled me out.
Oh, Mr. Cell Phone. Mr. complains that everybody's always on the phone. And now who's on the cell phone?
Wait, I thought that was you.
No,
Yeah,
it's
I'm planning our
actually
next
not me.
trip.
Oh, our next trip?
Yes.
Well, I
Where
can.
we're going.
Where are we actually going?
Maybe we can do an intro right now.
There's a human being over there. I don't know if you can see him, but that is our chauffeur. And if you don't see that guy, I don't know why.
2 deer.
2 deer. Oh dear.
Oh, dear.
We're at Salt Fork State Park and we're gonna do the Morgan's Knob Loop Trail. There's 2 entrances to this trail. There's one that starts over there. And there's one that starts over here. They're connected and we're gonna go down one trail and come out the other in about an hour or so.
So we are on a quest to see if we can find any evidence that the trail ever matched this map right here.
The online map is completely different than the maps on the signs along the trail. Watch until the end to learn the answer to our quest.
Hey, don't run ahead. Don't run ahead. Oh, it is a neat icicle.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Oh, you
There's a
Don't
beautiful
touch me.
cliff over here.
No, they're off the trail. This rock almost looks like a couch here.
seat.
There's a bunch of cut blocks everywhere, cut out of sandstone. And back over here, there's a spring. We found a bald-faced hornet nest over here in a tree. I can't see it too well, but it is right there. It's not a very large one. It's probably 6 inches across.
It's on.
Sound like Donkey Kong. What are you doing?
Golfing.
Are you? It's still there. Are you still a golfer?
No, I quit.
As they say, all good things must come to an end.
High five, man.
Yeah, look what we found in the woods. We're here on the Morgan's Knob Loop Trail. Now this map right here is incorrect. The trail actually comes down here along this one and comes up here to V and comes back. This trail, this blue one here, does not exist. And this red trail in the center doesn't exist at all. What the trail really does is comes down here, goes up here to V, then they join up and come back this way. And then this one comes up here to this point
point X. Between V and W does not exist, and the whole red trail doesn't exist at all. They fixed this mistake on the online map, but the maps along the trails are all wrong. This has been a mistake that's been here for years. We're done with the trail. We're back to where we started. Thank you for watching. God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.
They're coming over here.
Well, if you've enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends and hit that like button if you haven't done so already. And while you're at it, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. And if you'd like to receive notifications when we do upload the next video, hit that notification bell. And check out our channel. We have several videos just like this one or very similar. We do various things including hiking, biking, boating, fishing, builds of various kinds, mostly outdoor activities. Some homesteading is thrown in there as well. Thank you. We'll see you on the next one.